Naija don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name na Neyi. Make a sharply yarn on a son to the website it just happened. The Federal Capital Territory Minister will be Nyoson Wike don't they tell the Ivory Coast, Spain and other countries them embassies they waiting for inside Abuja, saying give them 2 weeks to go pay their ground rent for inside Abuja or else and go revoke their title and then yarn this talk on Wednesday, February 14th, 2024. The Corporate Affairs Commission will be CAC don't they tell all the social media content creators them on top Instagram and TikTok will be say they get plenty followers there. Say me they go register their business with CACO so they go feel they pay their taxes them. And at the Registrar General of CAC will be Hosseini Magaji. Now come out to come yarn this talk on Tuesday, February 13th, 2024. One Nigerian soldier man don't come fire bad man to take give President Bola Ahmed Tinubu after winning Honor Super Eagles them with one flat and land and also OON for inside Abuja, say because of the way we say they play well for on top the African Cup of Nations. And the soldier man come dey tell President Bola Ahmed Tinubu say him dey for Northeast he come fight Boko Haram for more than 4 years plus as they come shoot and gun wey make the bullet still dey for inside him body till today, but no federal government call them to come give them medal or to honor them because of the way we say that they fight against Omila Boko Haram them. Mr. Toby Loba, where him brother come out to come yarn, say in the loss, so in the finally don't come out or they don't see him as in come the yarn, saying come on for house so they go Mushi to go buy material. Now so in come reach Oshodi, come enter one mini bus, say making go Ikeja Computer Village to go repair in phone. Say before you know, sleep just carry him. Say before he come open his eyes, he come see himself for inside one bush where they be say they tying and can't even tie him face. Not even they see anybody, but they hear voice of people them. Say na so they can't collect him phone, can't carry him, can't go dump for inside one bush. But with the help of some Nigerians, we see him for inside Ogun State. Now they can't give him transport money. As he can't pay the transport money, they come back Lagos State.
Good afternoon, everyone. Toby is fine. Toby, say hello to the camera. He's fine. He's well and happy. Thank God.
The United States of America National Transport Safety Board don't show the picture of the location where we say the helicopter will carry the CEO of Access Holding, where we have Herbert Mwigwe and 5 other people them crash. We make all of them go by for inside California. And on Tuesday, February 13th, now the United States of America National Transport Safety Board come out, can show all these pictures them. About 18 shops then don't come bonfire as gas can explode, and this explosion happened for inside Agbado Road, Tonyi bus stop Idris Shaga around that kind 10 p.m. for night on Tuesday, February 13th, 2024. And I don't know if say the truck will say carry gas cylinder that they offload the cylinder them. Now so one of them can explode, we make fire can catch. The Association of Master Bakers and Caterers for inside Nigeria don't come they talk say all their members them go do nationwide strike on February 27th, say because of the high cost of production. And on Tuesday, February 13, 2023, now they come out to come yarn this strike notice. Plenty Nigerian men they will say they like beer well don't come they provoke after when Nigerian breweries come out come here and say they don't increase the price of their drink and it go start from February 19th to 2024, say because of the increase of dollar where they happen for inside Nigeria. Plenty youth them for inside Ogele Delta State don't come out come do an angry protest against police brutality. Say because they call about police they arrest young people, they come they harass them, they even they assault plenty of them and nothing they do. And they come out come do this an angry protest. Yesterday will be February 13th, 2024. The Economic and Financial Crime Commission operatives them don't come bus enter inside one student them hostel wey dey for Federal University of Technology Akure for midnight as EFCC come dey beat them, come even collect plenty of their properties them and carry their car, come even scatter plenty of their things them. And this gbege happen for Akure Ondo State on Wednesday morning, February 14th, 2024.
You get this black car, you get lock, bad. They can't find the key, so I think they are leaving it. They're already going.
Some passengers dem don come provoke who come dey beat airport staff dem come scatter all their properties dem say because dem cancel their flight wey wan carry dem take go London for inside Murtala Mohammed International Airport to Lagos. So na im dis gbege take happen.
Those is also the GBC now. How for international discover their country.
Plenty traders dem don come dey cry dey lament after ogbonge fire go burn shops wey dey for inside Computer Village, Ikeja, Lagos State, but nobody wunjure or kpai on top dis fire. As at when we take dey yarn dis story, na only goods dem worth of millions na dey burn fire. The MTN Nigeria don come host breakfast session early in the morning on Wednesday, February 14th, as they come welcome the Super Eagles dem to celebrate them and also to tell them thank you for the good work wey they do on top the African Cup of Nations. For on top this video, wey be say they see some journalists that will try to interview Alex Iwobi, wey be Super Eagles player. Na so injure jejely take tuama take run comot because he no want Nigeria as a problem. Na so the journalists they come try to interview Osimhen, wey make a take provoke. Come tear for the journalist man, say make they leave him, say because he not get that kind of time.
Alex Iwobi, can we talk to you please? Very come. Please come over. Osimhen, how does it feel to be back home, please? When I free me up, when I free me up.
But later, he come attend to them, come yarn a man, say he not like the way we say Nigerians they insult some of their players them, we be intimate, all of them play on top the African Cup of Nations.
It's really sad what is going through for the past, I think, 2 weeks now. Some of our fans should do better, just like I said in my Instagram story. And of course, you could see there is a big solidarity in the team. And I urge a lot of Nigerians that are cyberbullying players because we are also human.
As today be February 14th, 2024, we be say plenty lovers that they celebrate their loved one will be Valentine's Day. Now so some boys that we gather that say, come see one couple with two of them they waka in own as they wear white and red. They waka their own jelly. Now so the boys they come gather themselves, come they clap hand for them. They hate them. Say because it's not that easy to find love for this Tinubu regime.
It's not easy to find love. Love scarce. Love scarce. Love scarce.
Yes, now Bishop News Club. My name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.